Time now for a full check forecast. Maclovio Perez joins us for that. Mac, what are we looking at?
Well, good morning, everybody. I hope you had a good weekend. Certainly Sunday was spectacular. Saturday was pretty good too. We got that rain, about 6/10 of an inch, less than an inch, but more than half an inch, and it was better than nothing is what I'm saying. 68 right about now as you head out the door. Slowly but surely the Gulf winds are going to roll back in, and that old heat and humidity you just can't stay that far away. We were at 81 yesterday. Today we'll be at about 84, and then slowly about to 88 and almost 90 degrees by the end of this week. The south wind yesterday did peak in the afternoon hours. Right now it's fairly calm, but it's going to pick up again this afternoon. Once again, for Sunday, we didn't get any precipitation recorded. That brings our May total from the first few days of May here to the 11th to 6/10, which is what we got over the weekend. That brings our season now from January 1 to now to 3.03. And that still keeps us 5 inches below where we're supposed to be. So we're hoping for more rain. But as frontal systems gets harder to come by this late in the season, we basically have to look to the Gulf to see what the tropical storm season is going to be doing. That we get another front that strong later than, I don't think we can, no, we're not going to do that. That's strange. But then again, you want to talk strange weather. While we're fairly comfortable here and had a beautiful weekend, the East Coast had a snowstorm. I don't know if you heard about that. This morning as you head out the door, no problems at all. As I was mentioning, the snowstorm occurred for most of the Northeast from Michigan all the way to Vermont. They had snow on Mother's Day. Yeah, they were doing that. I don't think they got Mother a snow shovel, but that's what was happening up there. While that was going on, the Southwest, Arizona, Las Vegas, there were record-breaking temperatures near over 100. We have this little front here, but it's not going to do much of anything. In fact, it's falling apart, and we're waiting basically for the next system coming out of the West Coast. That one is slowly going to traverse across the country or go across the country, but over the Central Plains. We're on the tail end of it. Our chances of getting the front are very slim. However, that is going to be the next big weather maker. These are the high temperatures today, barely about 60 in Chicago, or New York rather, 46 in the Ohio Valley, 51 in Chicago. For us, we're looking at the 80s, and then we're going to be looking for the upper 80s as we get closer into the week. So there's our little front. The front actually falls apart. Some storms fire in far west Texas, drifting, just the cloud deck drifting over our area. And then as we get to Tuesday, Wednesday, less rain chance across the state. And so we're going to be looking at sunny, warm, and windy weather as that southeast wind kicks in. So we're going to call it seasonal because we're staying right about where we're supposed to be this time of year, 84. And then by Wednesday, Thursday, we get rather windy in the afternoon hours, and the temperatures do go up to near the upper 80s.